So on the Stripe dashboard, you want to click on the customers option at the left side of the screen. Then on your customers or client list, tap on the export button over here. First, you may choose the time zone that you like. You may select the date range of the customers that you want to download, either the customer this week, customer this month, or all of your customers. Then on the column section, you may choose about how detailed for each customer's information that you need, either the default one or just the most detailed one. Or you may also customize it by choosing which information or column that you need from the customer's list. After you are good with everything, click on the export button at the bottom. And there you go, you just save your customer list. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.